Hi, this is Swati, and in today's video, we'll see some very important properties of tangent to a circle. In this video, I'll be covering all the properties, all the theorems that we have in class 10 circles chapter. The first theorem, and these theorems are very oftenly used in almost all the questions. First theorem, the tangent at any point of a circle and the radius through the point are perpendicular to each other. So this is the tangent we can see, and this is the radius we can see. So here both are touching at one point P. So this point here, they are perpendicular to each other. So this is 90 degrees. So when a radius is dropped to a tangent, it is always perpendicular to the tangent. Very, very oftenly used. Next, second theorem. If two tangents are drawn to a circle, here we can see we have two tangents from an exterior point. A point is outside the circle. Then these are the three possible cases that happens. So tangents are always equal in length. So PA is equal to PB. Tangents subtend equal angles at the center. So this angle will be equal to this angle, which means angle POB is equal to angle POA. And the last one, the tangents are equally inclined to the line joining the point and the center of the circle, which means APO will be equal to BPO. Angle APO is equal to angle BPO. These two theorems are very much used in most of the questions of circles chapter. Now the next is, how many tangents can a circle have with a point? So the point can possibly be at three places. Now let us see the first one. If the point P is on the circle, if it is on the circle, I can just pass one tangent to the circle. If the point is on the circle, you will have one tangent. If the point is interior of the circle, inside the circle, you cannot have any tangent. The number of tangents are 0. And last one, if the point is outside the circle, exterior to the circle, we can have two tangents. See, one is like this and the other one is like this. So basically here we have PA and PP. We can have two tangents if the point is exterior. We just saw a theorem on this, that if a point is exterior to a circle, the tangents that you draw are equal to each other, which means PA and PB are of same length. I hope the theorems on tangents are clear. So my next video will be, I'll be sharing very important questions on the circles chapter from the past papers. Thank you.